Hi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up my speech to text to speech voice changer along with my speech to text to Teto voice changer. This video is going to be significantly worse than the actual video itself because I'm not writing a script for this and I'm barely going to edit this because I am tired. But yeah, let's do it. So first, let's start off with the first one, speech to text to speech. You will notice there is no releases over here, but that doesn't mean you can't use it. You just need to go to code and then download zip and download it somewhere. So I've downloaded it to this folder. We're going to extract it using 7-zip, WinRAR. I think you can still do it even without either of those installed, but extract it to a folder. We've got our stuff here. And then we need to, I'm doing this as if you've never used Python before. So, well, first, you need to install Python from Python's website. Then, you need to install Visual Studio Code. Technically, you don't have to, but I'm using Visual Studio Code, so you should too. Yeah. Download it from here. Download Python. And then we're going to open this in, forgot to open up Visual Studio beforehand. We're going to open up Visual Studio. Oops, I already have something open. Ignore all that. Great, I'm going to have to censor that in post, aren't I? Okay. We open our folder, speech to text to speech main. Select folder. We've got all this. Yes, I trust the authors. And we go to main.py. And for me, I think this stuff already works, so I have it installed on my my system. But there's a requirements.txt file, and what you want to do is you're going to want to go here, go to new terminal, and type in pip install -r requirements.txt, and that is going to install everything. Over here, it'll suggest you set up a virtual a virtual environment. I recommend this. Just go to create, choose your Python. I have a couple because I was a little stupid trying to get my Python to work properly. But do this. Okay. And then it'll install our stuff to the virtual machine. So it's only installed, so the stuff is only here. Okay. Well, I'll take this time to address if you get this error, hopefully we'll edit on stream or edit on the screen where it says PIP is not a recognized module or something like that. Yeah, PIP is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means you need to add your Python installation to your path. So wherever you installed Python, you need to open up environment variables, which you can find by just going here, typing in environment, and then hit edit the system environment variables. You'll get this screen. Go to environment variables. You see where it says path. Hit edit. And then you're going to want to hit new and then type in the directory of your Python installation. And then, save it all, obviously. Okay, and now it's done. Good. So we can close this. Get rid of that notification. And now, pretty much ready to run, except for one thing. We need a VB audio cable. So, go to this website, VB audio cable. Hit the download it here. Go here. You're gonna need to unzip it and then run the setup, and yeah, then you'll have that installed. And then you should have this device, so this command will work. Or I mean, this line of the code will work. Sorry, I'm very sleepy. And we're going to drag this over here. We're going to put Audacity here, because I have it set to record our VB audio cable, so you can see it in action. So let's start this. Hello? How are you doing? And then let's just play back.
Hello.
Yep.
How are you doing?
And there you go. That's how you set up the first part. Pretty simple. If you're having any issues with these packages not working or saying you don't have the modules, even though you ran pip install-r requirements.txt, usually you can just look up the name of whatever it imports, and you can find what command you need to run in the terminal. Most of the time, you just need to run exactly what it says here. So like, if it doesn't say real-time STT is there, you can just go to the terminal and type in pip install real-time STT. That doesn't go for all of them, but yeah. So now I'm going to make a cut, and we're going to switch over to Teto. Okay, now let's try the Kasane Teto voice changer thingy. We'll go here, same deal, go to code, download zip, download it to a folder. I'm in the wrong folder. Extract it to a folder so it's not zipped up anymore. Boom, we got this. We go to VS Code, file, open folder. We go to open our folder, select folder. Boom, we got our folder open. Yes, I trust the authors. Same deal here. Go to here, terminal, new terminal. We type pip install -r requirements.txt, and then it's going to install the requirements. And we are once again going to create a virtual environment. Select that. Okay. And this is probably going to take a minute. Oh, is it done? That took forever. Okay, we got it. Close this. Close this. Close this. You're going to want to go here. Install OpenUTAL. And then go here. And scroll down here. You're probably going to have to translate it to English so you can actually read it. But we're going to get the English one. Plugin download. Translate this website also to English. Yep. You're going to download that. And once you have it downloaded, you're just going to pull up OpenUTAL, have your folder or your file over here, your zip file, and just drag it in over here, and it should install it for you. I'm not going to do that because I already have it installed, but that should be all you have to do to get the Teto voice installed. So now I think I just have to do I think all we need to do now is just run it. My bad. It's looking for a folder called temp, and you don't have a temp folder by default, so just do new folder, call it temp, and then that's all you need to do. So we run this, tab into OpenUTAL. Hello?
Hello.
I hope you're...
How you
I totally stuttered there.
totally started there.
Well, that's not exactly what I said.
Well, that's not exactly what I said.
But yeah, that's all you have to do. Make sure you create the temp folder. And remember, this is supposed to be used with a second computer, so you can run a capture card through the second computer to capture the audio from this. So yeah. Hopefully, I covered everything in the tutorial. I feel like I probably missed something, but I think I hit all the bases. Yeah. Actual video coming soon. Yeah. Hope this helped.